What is the law of attraction and how does it work? The law of attraction is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. The belief is based on the idea that people and their thoughts are both made from pure energy, and that through the process of like energy attracting like energy, a person can improve their own health, wealth, and personal relationships. The law of attraction is among the most popular of the universal laws. Advocates of this mind-power paradigm generally combine cognitive reframing techniques with affirmations and creative visualization to replace limiting or self-destructive negative thoughts with more empowered, adaptive positive thoughts. A key component of the philosophy is that in order to effectively change one's negative thinking patterns, one must also feel, through creative visualization, that the desired changes have already occurred. This combination of positive thought and positive emotion is believed to allow one to attract positive experiences and opportunities by achieving resonance with the proposed energetic law. Click the link below to learn more.